This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting precision finding on iPhone 15 now. First, open Find My and select Devices, then tap your iPhone 15 entry and choose Precision Finding. Make sure location services and motion and fitness permissions are enabled so the phone can use UWB and sensor data. Without them, you won't get directional guidance. Once done, position the iPhone so it can clearly see your surroundings. Avoid pockets or heavy cases that block the UWB antenna. Now follow the on-screen arrow and numeric distance. The arrow shows direction while the meter updates with each step. As you move, rotate slowly to let the iPhone refine bearing. This recalibration uses the compass and gyroscope for accuracy. Pay attention to haptic pulses and the changing color or animation when you near the item. They're tuned for small distances. If you pass the item, reverse direction and slow your steps to let the system lock onto the signal again. This improves precision quickly. Finish by confirming the item visually or triggering its sound from the Find My screen. This verifies you found the right object. Move until the distance readout shows the smallest value and the arrow centers. Tap the item or pick it up to dismiss guidance. If readings feel off, first toggle Bluetooth and location services, then retry precision finding. Interference from metal, electronics, or thick cases often causes errors. If problems persist, remove the case or restart the iPhone to clear sensor states and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.